Hi everyone, welcome to our next lesson in the Soulvean Alphabet. I just want to say really quick, thank you everyone so much for just coming by, and hopefully you watched the other two prior videos of this. Without further ado, let's go on to the next letter. Just like the other ones, we're going to pretend this is Mappa, skip a line, Fefna, skip a line, Kanya. So for this letter, you want to draw a circle that touches Kanya. So circle. If you're not good at drawing circles, that's completely okay. Not everyone's good at drawing them, to be honest with you. And if this was like a clock, you want to put this next line about 9 or like 11 o'clock. So somewhere here, like that. And let's do this smaller. Ready? So here's Mappa, here's Fefna, here's Kanya. You want to draw your circle on the base, and then a line coming out like this. This letter is Ha. Ha. Alrighty. So now what we're going to do, we're going to flip it around so you guys can see a full, bigger picture of it. Here you go. And again, with these letters, you want to make sure that you have them in the correct place. And that's why I do recommend watching the lesson on Soulvean placing. So the Mappa, Fefna, Kanya, Mappa, Fefna, and Kanya, Fefna lesson. I do highly recommend that. Alright, so let's pretend this is the bottom line here. What we're going to do, we're going to draw a circle. So let me kind of get here real quick. Draw a circle on the bottom, and then you want to put a line right there around that area. And of course, because due to different writing styles and different people, it might look a little different, but this is what it should look like. This is Ha. Ha. There you go. Next letter. All right, same thing. Mappa, skip a line. Fefna, skip a line. Kanya. Okay. So this next letter, you want to go into the Mappa Fefna area. You want to draw a diagonal line like this, and then kind of like a tooth looking thing. Like a tooth looking thing, like that. Like that. Of course, not like this little squiggly line here. Let's make the smaller line, so smaller. There you go. Just like that. This is I. I. All right, we're going to switch it around. Again, pretend this is the top line, middle line, bottom line. And we want to put this in the top middle space. So again, Mappa Fefna. Diagonal line like this. And then kind of like a tooth looking shape. Like this. Like this. And again, you want it up. So again, due to different writing styles from person to person, it might look a little bit different, but as long as it has this general shape, it generally looks like this, then you have it right. This is I. 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 Next letter. Same thing as the other ones. Mappa, skip a line. Fefna, skip a line. Kanya. And here we go. So with this one, you want to start where Fefna is. I hope you can see my line. You want to start where Fefna is, draw a diagonal line like this. Then draw another diagonal line coming from Kanya all the way to Kanya Fefna, so here. And then you want to draw a line straight across like this. And there you go. This is Ja. Ja. And let's draw it smaller. Let's write it smaller. So Mappa, Fefna, Kanya. You want to go like this. And like that. And again, due to different writing styles from person to person, it may look different. But as long as it generally has this shape here, you're good. Again, this is ja. So let's write it here as if, again, so again, mapa, fefna, kanya. You want to go from fefna down to kanya. You want to do a diagonal line to kanya fefna, like this. And you want to just connect these two lines together like that. There you go. And this is ja. 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 Flip it around. Same thing. Again, you want to make sure that this line is kind of higher and slanted down. But yeah, as long as it looks like this or similar to this. Again, you want to make sure it's on the bottom part. Next letter. Again. Let's skip line. So mapa, then fefna, then kanya. And here we go. So with this one, you want to kind of have to make sure that both the bases touch kanya. So it's going to be something like this. Ready? Like this. And then like this. So if we do it smaller, again, I have your lines here. Lines here. And when you write Soulvean, I'm just drawing these lines here so that it is recognizable for you and that you kind of know where to place it. But usually you won't be drawing these lines when you're actually writing Soulvean. So let's go here. Again, you want to go diagonal from mapa fefna to kanya, to fefna, and then from kanya fefna back to kanya. So something like this. And this is ka, ka. All right, ready? Again, just pretend that these lines are here. There you go, ka. To those who are Japanese, or who have ever learned hiragana, or even katakana, this would kind of look similar to you. But this is ka, ka, ka. Next letter. Let's go. And so like the other ones, we're going to start with mapa, and then fefna here, and then kanya. So with this letter, you want to use the mapa fefna area, so this top middle space. And you want to go a diagonal line like this, and then straight like this. Now, with this letter, I really like this letter because this letter, out of every single other letter, has the most freedom to it. There's various variations of this letter that could be written. So if I just show you here, so you have this one, you can also write it like this, like that. You can see it like that too, and you'll see in like various other ways. But as long as it stays in the same area, you gotta remember it has to have a slanted line and another slanted line halfway across. So let's go down here, make it smaller. So mapa, fefna, kanya, and here you go. This is la, la, and it comes in multiple forms. So here's the other form, you can see it in la, la. Got to write on the back or on the, here you go, right? Again, mapa, fefna, kanya. So we're going to go into the mapa fefna area, so this top middle space. We could go a diagonal line like this, and then another line straight across. And again, this letter has several different forms, which I'll show you later. But as you saw in the back, that's what it is. So this here, this is la, la, la. And as long as it has this general shape, and is in this area, has to be in this area, then it's good. Our final letter for this lesson is ma. So again, so you got mapa here, you got fefna, and you got kanya. So coming from Kanya, you want to go up, straight up, and then put a dot to the left side or to the right side, like that. Okay. Let's go down here. Let's write it smaller. There you go. Straight up or even straight down, and dot to the right side. And that's how you write ma, ma. Okay, go on this side, wrist blink. Again, just imagine that mappa is this top line, then we have fefna, and then we have kanya. So you just want to write here, coming from kanya. And then a dot on the right side. Ma, ma. Alrighty. This is ma. Alright. Let's review all the letters that you've learned in this lesson. And then I'm going to give you a quick test so that you could get used to them. So first one, ha. Second one, I. Third one, ja. Fourth one, ka. Fifth one, la. And sixth one, ma. Alrighty, now it's time to test you. I'm going to show you each letter, and you have 5 seconds to see what it is. Alrighty, let's start with this one. La. Alright, next one. I. Alrighty, next one. Ma. Alrighty, next one. Ha. Alrighty, next one. Ka. And our last one. Ja. And that concludes this lesson. Thank you everyone so much for just being here and watching to the end. I wish you all a marvelous day and or night, and take care. Rock on away.